Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making some pork chops with some fried potatoes. So come on in, check it out, and let's get it going. Alright, so we got some potatoes right here. This is about 8 small red potatoes. We got 1 green pepper and 1 onion. These are the stuff we're putting on here. We got some bacon chipotle, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. We're going to put all this stuff on the potatoes and the veggies. And I'm putting all this stuff except the bacon chipotle on the pork chops over here. These are like, I believe the thing said 12 ounces each, 10 ounces each. And yeah, we got them this side seasoned. So we're gonna put that side down first and then season the other sides and we're good to go. So let's get it cracking. All right, y'all, we're gonna get started. Got about 350, 360 on the griddle right now. So we're gonna start off with the taters. We're gonna put a little oil down. And I've done these before. Really easy to do on the griddle. Just get a nice, good area ready to go. And just drop them down. Ooh, got me. Want to kind of spread them out a little bit. Try and get them all touching or close to touching. Yep. Got a mountain over there. Yeah. Just gonna play with them. And then I'm gonna, let's just get these going a little bit first. There we go. Kind of sticking a little bit. Alright. Yeah, let's just get them going nice and good. Flip them around. Like I said, I've done these before. Really easy. All right, let's just get them in a pile. As close to a pile as you can. There's a lot of potatoes right here. All right. Try and get them in there. We're good. All right, I'm gonna throw a little butter. Let's just cover them up. Let them things go. Let them go. All right, we'll just let them go for a hot second. Let's get this side ready to go. Get these pork chops going. All right. Yeah, and these are center cut, bone in. Some really good stuff right here that we're gonna be doing. All right. Let them go. Don't want that plastic falling in there. Alright, there we go. Wash my hands, bring it back. Alright, here we go. Let's check the temp here. See how we're looking, right dead middle. Got 440, got 360 over here. I'm gonna turn these down a little more. I want to be closer to the like 400 range. I'm gonna cook these slow, let them go. And actually, let's get them seasoned. Got the onion powder and the garlic powder. Put a decent amount on there, let them soak it up. A little salt and pepper. Boom. Just gonna let them go. Bring you back in just a minute. All right, let's check these taters. See how we're looking. Ooh, smells pretty good. There we go. Look at that. Getting some nice color action going on them. I'm gonna let them cook a little bit more before I put the seasoning on. but we're getting there. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna let them sit out like this. I got some butter over all of it. Let's just let them sit out and cook up. Alright. Now let's see how we're looking on the pork chops. Ooh, got a nice little color going. There we go. Oh, geez. There we go. We got some nice color action going. Alright, we're going to let this stuff run and bring it back. Alright, let's see how these pork chops are looking after another couple minutes. Oh, not as good, not as good. Let's let them go for another minute. Let's check these. Oh, yes. Look at that. Getting some nice color going on them now. Alright. That is looking good. Alright. Now, let's go ahead and cover these up. Actually, let's throw some seasoning on. Got the bacon chipotle. That's gonna be actually, let's go a little more on that. Alright. A little garlic powder. Oh no. Phone's ringing. Alright, so now let's get this stuff turned around. There we go. Then we're gonna cover it up, throw a little bit more butter in there. Man, this smells delicious. Alright, let's get that seasoning. We're gonna push this up here to the corner. Get all them crusties, everything. There we go. Alright, let's throw another glob of butter in there. Let's cover them up. They want to cooperate. Alright, let's check these chops. Yeah, it's looking better. Alright, now I'm going to keep them over here. Let's get a little bit of that off there. Alright, I'm going to put a little butter action on them as well. Need another lid. I'm going to have to go get one. Now, let's get a little oil down right here. Get some veggies going. Alright, here we go. Let's throw these veggies on. Oh, buddy. Got a nice little action going here. Alright, let's just toss that up and then we'll get some seasoning on there. Got a nice amount of oil action going here too. Alright, there we go. Let's throw some seasoning on this. Alright, what are we going to use here? We're going to definitely throw some pepper on there. We're going to throw some of the bacon chipotle on there. Nice liberal amount. Then we're just going to put some garlic powder on here. Alright, that's it. Just going to let them go. We got these cooking up good. And I'll bring you back in a minute. Alright, welcome back. We're going to toss these around now. They're getting nice and sweated out. So let's just get them good. Let's check on these taters. Boom. I don't have another one that big, so I'm kind of stuck. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they're getting some nice color on them. Alright, let's just let them, I'm going to spread them out. They're getting just about done, so actually I'm going to cover them back up just in case. Might get one or two of them that are done and then a bunch aren't. So let's just keep them going. Let's flip these. Oh, yes. Getting some nice color going on them. There we go. That's what I like to see. And we're going to be cooking these to 145 degrees. So actually, I'll check that now. I don't have the quick reader, so I'll bring you back. All right, so I just checked, and these are done. So I'm gonna kill this burner. The left two burners are killed. Let's just give these another flip. Yeah, let's just keep them going right here. Yeah, these are done. I want to cook them to 145, and that is a safe temperature to cook pork chops at, so we're good. Let's just give these another flip. All right. There we go. Now, let's check on these potatoes again. Yeah, them are killed. All right, we're good here. Boom. Man, we are getting some beautiful color on these potatoes. I don't know if you guys saw my other one. I like to do different seasonings. I might cook the same stuff, but man, I like to do different seasonings out of everything and just try it out. See, you know, because you never know who has the best stuff, right? Boom. Throw them taters, or the veggies in with the taters over here. Boom. Tell you what, this bacon chipotle, some good stuff. All right, so that's done. These I'm gonna keep going. Cover these up for just another minute. And then it's gonna be time to feast. Ooh, that's hot. Boom. All right, let's take a bite of these potatoes first. A little hot. That's good. That bacon chipotle is dynamite on potatoes. All right. Let's get a little piece of this. You can tell it's not all dried out. I did get a little hotter than I wanted at like 152, but you can see it's not dried out. It's nice and moist. That's not dry at all. That is really good. All right, let's get a bite of the other side here. Some fat. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh. Man, that was good. Now I need to try this. I'm gonna get in and eat this, but I appreciate you coming along. Like and subscribe. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook, and we'll get on to the next one.